map16's radar monitors are the epitome of precision and reliability for your wastewater network. This radar monitor is tailored for a broad spectrum of manholes, spanning both public and transferred sewer networks, and accommodating depths from 350 millimeters to 7 meters. Encased in a robust polycarbonate IP68 enclosure and featuring a 6-degree beam angle radar, it delivers robust and highly accurate water level measurements. With a standard configuration offering an extended 5-year-plus battery life, maintenance is a breeze with simple on-site battery changes. Compact, cost-effective, and versatile, it operates seamlessly with 2G, 3G, 4G LTE and is available in ATEX-rated models for added flexibility. Installation and commissioning are effortless and among the quickest on the market. With just 2 pieces and no chamber entry required, the robust monitor easily attaches to the arm and seamlessly slots into a bracket within the chamber. Connect the antenna, and you're good to go. The map16 mobile sewer platform empowers installed teams with instant feedback, providing a live view of water levels, signal status, benching errors, and network types. Combine this with a customizable fleet management capability and maintenance modules, offering a complete solution for large-scale monitor deployments. Embark on the next generation of wastewater monitoring. Reach out today to discover more about our state-of-the-art radar wastewater monitors from map16.